Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Assemble a microwavable rice pouch or a gel pack, plus a soft cover and an elastic band to hold it in place. Use a low-speed hand massager or phone vibrator as optional gentle stimulation. Measure and test fit so the pack sits over the lower abdomen. You do this because consistent, targeted warmth and light pressure reduce muscle tension and ease uterine cramping. Once you have the kit, heat or charge supplies and prepare the support. We move to construction next. Now make the wrap. Place the heated rice pouch inside the fabric cover, then fold and secure edges so the pack won't shift. Attach an elastic band across the back with Velcro, allowing adjustable compression without pinching. Test tension on your forearm before wearing. Add thin padding where the pack contacts skin to prevent burns when hotter. Check temperature on your wrist first. Once done, position the wrap low on the abdomen and fasten. Next, we add optional gentle vibration and finalize safety checks. Finish by setting usage cycles. Apply 15 to 20 minutes, then remove for about 10 minutes to avoid skin irritation. Repeat as needed. If you add a low-speed vibrator, keep intensity minimal and stop if it causes discomfort. Make sure the pack is warm, not hot. Test on your wrist first. If redness, burning, or worse pain occurs, remove the wrap, cool skin, and add padding. If symptoms persist, contact a healthcare provider. One key troubleshooting tip: if heat feels intense, increase padding or reduce heating time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.